Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. You want to take a quick look at $25 one up and my earning of $50 so far for some few days as I joined. This really an interesting business, of course. Everybody can do. You can do it with your smartphone, with your computer, whatever, at the comfort of your home, working part-time. Indeed, this pays actually 100% instant commissions daily, multiple times. You don't have to wait for a week or a month to get paid. You make a sale, you get paid instantly. Okay, that's what is happening right here. That's what is happening. So you can see I'm also building my list. You also have the opportunity to build your list with this system. You can see here I'm building my email list. You know, the money is in the list. You can't afford to miss this. So just check in the description for this video. You see my link to this opportunity. So having said so, let's just dive into my admin area so that I will show you quickly. I'm not to make this video long. I just want to show you that it's working. If you are someone who is interested in earning 100% instant commissions, then this $25 one-up business really belongs to you. So I'm just here. I want to log into my account area live in front of you, okay? So let me just tap login to log into my account. I want to log into my account right in front of you. So I'm just signing in with my details. Sorry, my network actually is bad here. I just want to show you that you don't need any special skills to get started in this business. Once you sign up, you get your account updated. Within 5 minutes or less, you've got to go, okay? That is it here. All the sales funnels, everything's already done on your behalf, waiting for you. Your link is ready. And what happens is the follow-up, you don't need to do any follow-up. There's a video, there are videos that do all the telling and the selling on your behalf, okay? You can see here already that email sent. 5 emails have been sent already out on my behalf. I didn't even lift a finger. All I just do is just what? Share this funnel. And there's a way to share it. There's a training, a complete training for you. You can even get daily lists without even spending a dime. And I'm going to show you all my daily routines, my secret tips. I have a viral list building tool for you that can help you to get daily referrals. Check in the description of this video, you actually see it. So having said so, let me just quickly look at this system. I want to show you something here. If you just look at what? My business. Under my business, I want you to look at it. Commissions. So under commissions, this is where you're going to see your commissions. So I actually joined some few days and I'm getting results. I'm not making any income claims here. I just want you to know that it's possible. You could join and within even 1 minute, you could earn your sales because as you join, your referral link, everything, your sales funnel is already set up and hardcoded to you. You can start instantly and sharing it. And you can start actually earning some commissions. You can see this. How will an extra $50 or more, even on a daily basis, do for you? I hope this will make sense. It will help you to actually take care of your family and other things. You pay for the bills. Bear in mind, there are other huge earning potentials inside. We have several streams of income inside there. So you don't need any special skills, as I said. All you just need to get is one-time payment. There's nothing like monthly fees here. You're not going to pay any monthly fees. As you can see, someone just earned. So this is a powerful tool. Once you get signed up again, as I said, your links, everything's ready, waiting for you. The follow-up is there to be done on your behalf. You're not going to be talking to people. We have got other products here. Some are ranging $100 to $50 up to $1,000, and each of them pays you 100% instant commissions. So you check the description of the video. You actually see everything, the link there. You can see if you check the resources, you have got actual training. You have got resources that actually helps you to run other businesses, how to brand yourself on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and whatever, so that people will be contacting you to see your office. Okay, you have got copy and paste pre-made ads here that you can just copy and paste on social media, and people will be running after you. Show me the link, info. That's what we are doing here. You can see the trainings inside here. All are just for you, not only for this business. You can apply them outside this business. Okay. We have got a couple of training resources here, and also we have got a Facebook group, a support Facebook group, and an income earning proof Facebook group where we interact with the founders and other members on daily basis. So there's no need to be afraid. Everything is okay here. You'll be helped in every way possible. You can see the training resources that are here for everybody. Every member actually has access to this. Once you get your account upgraded, that is all. Again, there is no monthly fees. It's one-time payment, and you don't need to go and then be hiring and paying for the services of lead capture, page creator, click magic, tracking, and whatever. hosting, nothing like that. Everything is put in place here. As again I said, it's very easy for you to get started. The compensation plan video is here, everything. Check in the description of the video and go check out $25 one app. I will leave my contact details. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me, you can even email me. I'll be happy to actually reply to you. I want to see you inside. Take advantage of this opportunity and then go, let's crush it together. Thank you very much. Okay, sorry, a quick one. I just forgot. I just want to show you some of the copy and paste ads that I'm using on social media and I'm getting results. Have you seen something? This is just something that we are taught how to do, all these things. Okay, you can see, look at the comments so far, 51 comments or more, and people are contacting me for it. Can you see it? It's working. Also, let me show you, we have a Facebook group indeed. We also have a Facebook group here. Let me just show you the Facebook group. Show you the Facebook group here. We have got our income earning group where members post their income earnings on daily basis to boost others. Okay, so this is it here. People are actually crushing it, and then easy. So this is what is going on here. If you join, we are going to even add you to this Facebook group. This is me sometime back when I made myself, and indeed that is it. It's not only one person that is earning here, even newbies, everybody's actually earning here because we are helped. We interact, we ask questions, we are helped. Everything, the secrets are shared here. Okay, so don't lose this opportunity. Check below in the description of the video if you want to make instant 100% commissions and limited $25 and more on daily basis. This is something that is worth checking out. Okay, I hope to see you inside. I hope now you have seen things for yourself. Take time, go join, stop seeking for other signing objects. This is it here before you. What happens is that most people, they'll watch videos like this, they'll say, wow, this is superb, this is working. And at the end of it all, they go and relax, they don't take any action. Bear in mind, if you don't take action, you're never going to achieve your goals, okay? So go check it out, and let's get connected and work together. Thank you very much. Bye.